What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm super excited to show you guys some Halloween outfit ideas for easy, simple, quick, and affordable looks, just using what you already have in your closet. When I say DIY, I mean you're doing it yourself, as in you're not going to the store to buy a store-bought costume. You're using what you already have in your closet, so something that you've already purchased in the past or recently, or something that you already own, so that way you don't have to go out of your way and go to such great lengths to buy a brand new costume and spend ridiculous amounts of money on something that you will wear one time for one night. When I chose these outfits, I thought of those who may be invited to a last minute Halloween party. Maybe you've just been so busy and you haven't had the time and you've put it in the back of your mind to very last minute. These are the outfits for you. When I was younger, we didn't really have the means to afford expensive costumes, especially the store-bought ones that every kid wore when I was in grade school. So instead of doing that, what I always did was I came up with outfits myself using the clothes that I already had in my closet, and then I would go to the 99-cent store to buy certain accessories that I needed to complete my costume. It didn't look exactly like a done-up costume. Those costumes and those outfits were always my favorite, and I have such great memories in them because it brought me so much happiness and so much joy in those moments to just be creative and just use my imagination to bring an outfit to life using what I already had. Because if you're like me, I don't buy things to just wear them one time. So if I can wear them for various occasions, I am a very happy camper. I will insert a picture somewhere here to show you guys one of the outfits I made when I was in school. I always remember running up to my mom and showing her these ridiculous outfits and these ridiculous costumes that I would come up with. I love that I get to share my creativity and uniqueness and my imaginations and these ideas that I have be brought to life, and I have someone to share them with. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to always have my childlike soul from when I was a kid, because I get to play dress up all the time for you guys. That's just something that has always made me smile from the inside. So I feel really blessed and really grateful to be able to always do that and share that with you guys on here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think, which one is your favorite, in the comment section below. And if you're listening to my podcast, so I can give you a shout out at the beginning of my videos. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.
My first costume is Tinkerbell inspired. I have some fairy wings paired with this really cute green play suit. This actually has a bright neon color, which is the first I own in my closet, and some strap white heels. I picked this romper out of a sales rack from a local boutique near me called Rhapsodile, and it was only $7. So for me, that was a steal. And this was the first piece of clothing I actually preferred in neon. I really love the ruffle-like detailing around the collar, and I preferred to leave the lengthy straps in the back tied versus in a bow, but it's not only cute and comfy, but a really unique individual piece itself. So for my hair, I put it up in a donut bun. Easiest way to get this to look as neat as possible, because I was struggling quite a bit, but it worked itself out after I used a few bobby pins. I really wanted to show the detail of the fairy wings because they're so beautifully decorated and designed, and you wouldn't believe that I got these from the dollar store. It matched perfectly with my outfit, and I even saw some in different colors too. My heels are from Charlotte Russe, and this DIY costume I threw together only cost me $1. I only spent $1 on the wings from the dollar store because I already had this play suit and heels in my closet. Altogether, for each piece, it would come out to less than $20. On the little label it came with, it said for 3+, but we are a 2 + 1 year old, so technically it works itself out, am I right? Someone is having a heart attack with my math right now, but really, I'm just saying these were not made for just 3-year-olds to rock. Okay, let's not age discriminate here. My little puppy Doo decided to join me, and honestly, she makes everything better. Next, we have a Victoria's Secret angel / model behind the scenes pre-show. I know it has been a popular trend to wear the lingerie with the massive angel wings, but we are not doing that today. Today, we are being comfy as ever in our Victoria's Secret robe, practicing our runway walk, and smiling for the cameras backstage. So before anyone goes off on me that this robe is not cheap, I already had this in my closet, so I didn't go out of my way to purchase something I didn't already own, and I got it as a gift. And I'm sure there are DIY ways you can buy similar robes of the same color and do it that way with glitter and whatnot, so don't go out of your way if you don't need to. From when I saw these in stores, they do have them in other colors like black, but I loved the traditional pink. I'm also wearing a white bralette underneath and some lounge shorts. I went with some loose curls to make them a bit more messy and wavy because they tend to have that type of hair, but I am by no means any expert. I actually think this is a great costume, especially if you want to be comfy. You don't have to wear heels, as the models actually mostly wear flip-flops and sandals when they're backstage from what I've seen watching the previous fashion shows. Here I am using some glitter lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. Not sponsored, but hey, feel free to reach out for modeling, makeup, loungewear. Your girl was born ready. Last but not least, hopefully you can catch the vibe I'm going for here, but this is Where's Waldo inspired. So I didn't have time to pick up a beanie to go with the look, but did find some for really cheap on Amazon, which I will link. I think this is a really cute and go-to look. I got this long sleeve, if you watched my previous haul from H&M, for $3. I already had these pair of jeans and my kicks, and also, yes, my glasses are real and prescription. Another simple and easy outfit to put together last minute, and I only spent $3 to get this long sleeve. And if I had gotten the beanie all together, it would cost me around $8. So this is a less than $10 costume. How about that? You would be surprised what you could pull together from your closet if you took a small amount of time to look through and get some character inspiration. Also, you don't have to spend bank on accessories. The dollar store, 99-cent store, and a lot of fashion brands have items for sale that are super affordable as well. By the way, I'm really not sure what dance moves these are or what is going on here, but you're welcome. Hey, did you know the best time to wear a striped sweater is all the time? I hope you sing that with me. Otherwise, I don't know. I would love to know what you guys plan on being for Halloween and which outfit is your favorite featured in this video. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to be the first to see when I upload a new video. YouTube be acting silly sometimes.